Welcome back to the Stoic Tube. Have you ever wondered why some men just command respect and attraction without ever chasing anyone? Why some men walk into a room, speak less, yet women seem drawn to them like gravity? It's not charm, it's not muscles, it's something deeper, a powerful Stoic presence. This video is not about tricks or manipulation. It's about becoming the kind of man a woman naturally sees as the one. A man of calm, clarity, and control. Number 1. The mistake most men make. Most men chase approval. They text too much, compliment too often, try too hard. They think, if I show her I care enough, she'll see I'm the right guy. But here's the harsh truth. You can't convince someone to love you. You become someone they can't imagine losing. And this is where Stoicism flips the script. Because while other men are busy reacting to emotions, the Stoic man controls his, and that is magnetic. Number 2, the Stoic foundation of attraction. Let's break this down. In Stoicism, there's one golden rule. You cannot control external events. You can only control your thoughts and actions. A woman feels safest, most connected, and most loyal to a man who is in control of himself. That means you don't get insecure when she's busy. You don't become desperate when she pulls away. You don't break character when things don't go your way. She tests you, not because she wants you to fail, but because she needs to know you can lead under pressure. Stoicism trains you to be unshakable, not emotionless, but emotionally disciplined. And that's the difference between a guy she dates and the man she envisions her future with. Number 3, presence over performance. Let me tell you a quick story. There was a man named Arjun, quiet, disciplined, focused. He never chased attention. He gave it when it mattered. His girlfriend once said, "When I'm around you, I feel safe, like nothing could shake you." That's the magic. Not fancy gifts, not perfect lines, but presence. A Stoic man listens more than he speaks. When he speaks, he's clear. When he moves, he's deliberate. He's not rushing to impress. He's anchored in who he is. That level of grounded energy makes a woman think, this man could lead a life with me. Number 4, become a mission-driven man. Another Stoic truth. Don't waste time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Marcus Aurelius. Most men center their life around women. A Stoic man centers his life around purpose. If your life's mission is clear, if you're building something, learning, growing, you won't be available to chase. And that scarcity builds desire. When she sees you value your time, energy, and focus, she knows being part of your life is a privilege, not a guarantee. That doesn't mean you ignore her. It means you're not lost without her. And paradoxically, that makes her want you more. Number 5, silent strength in conflict. One of the biggest tests of Stoic masculinity is how you handle disagreement. A weak man begs. A reactive man argues. A Stoic man observes, speaks when necessary, and sets clear boundaries. You don't need to win every argument. You need to show emotional intelligence under fire. Next time she gets emotional, pause. Don't interrupt. Listen. Validate. But don't abandon logic. She's not looking for a pushover. She's looking for a lighthouse in her storm. Number 6, how she finally sees you as the one. It happens quietly. One day she realizes you're not like the rest. You're not playing games. You're not seeking validation. You're just whole. You don't need her, but you want her, and that's far more powerful. She notices the way you hold space. The way you don't react to chaos. The way your actions match your words, and something shifts in her mind. This is the kind of man I could build a life with. Not because you said the right words, but because your presence, consistency, and emotional self-mastery speak louder than anything else. Conclusion. Call to inner mastery. You don't need to manipulate a woman to make her love you. You need to master yourself so deeply that she respects you first. And once a woman respects you, love follows effortlessly. Respect is the foundation, and Stoicism is the blueprint. So next time you think about how to make a woman fall for you, don't look at her, look within. Because the moment you stop chasing and start building inner strength, she'll see you as the man of her life. Final takeaway. If this message hits home, then you're not just watching this video to win someone over, you're here to become someone better. And that's the beginning of real power. Not just in love, but in life. Stay grounded, stay stoic, and let the world come